Let's learn how to circle crop any photo on your mobile phone. So if you need to circle crop your logo or any other thing that you want to use for a project, thumbnail, documents or other stuff, then watch this simple video until the end. It's really easy to circle crop a photo, and this works on both iOS and Android devices, as well as your PC or laptop. The first step is to open your preferred web browser and go to google.com. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari, but you can open any web browser. Now in here, you want to type Circle Crop Photo Aid. I will leave the website link in the description of this video so you can open it from there. When you open this website, it's gonna look something like this, and let's click here to upload our image. I'll simply upload the channel logo since I need it for a project. And when you upload the photo, you can drag this and select the area of the photo you want to keep. Take your time here. And when you are happy with your selection, just tap on the download button, and that's it. That's how you can circle crop any photo using your mobile phone or even PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.